welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making corned beef brisket. If you want to learn how to make it, just keep watching. What you'll need is obviously the corned beef. I bought this from Cup Foods. It was $13.90 and it came pre-packaged with the seasoning in there. So I don't need to worry about the seasoning because it was just a little too much for me. You'll need sauerkraut. You'll need ketchup. You'll need Worcestershire sauce, but some people can't pronounce it, so they say your horse sister sauce. You'll need mayo. You'll need sweet pickled relish, and as you can see right here, that is I want to say 1/8 of a onion. So we are going to make the sauce and then put the meat in the hot water, and then we're just gonna let the sauce marinate for an hour until the beef is ready to be cut. And let's get started. Water is boiling. I did put a little bit of salt in there. We are going to cut off the beef and we're just going to put it into the water. And then make sure the packet of seasoning doesn't fall in there. And it's okay if you get the blood in there, that's fine. There we go. We are just gonna get the seasoning. That looks yummy already because that just looks like pho broth. So cut the seasoning in there. There you go. Just put it in there. No special order, just put it in there. And then we want to cover this for an hour, so I'm just going to cover it like that. And we will see you guys in an hour after our sauce making. Okay, so for the sauce, I have my bowl here. I already put some onion in there. I am going to cut the sauerkraut and then put it in there like these. Be careful, don't cut your hands like I almost did. I'm just going to use my hand to get that. Ooh, make sure you don't get the juice, okay? Make sure you don't get the juice. I am just going to, obviously I didn't cut it enough. Just as much as the onion. There we go. Just as much as the onion. Like I said, I don't know why I repeat myself so many times. And then we're gonna put the mayo in first. Oh, yeah. I need more mayo. Oh, shirts and pants. That might be a little bit too much mayo, but we'll make it work. It's an Asian house. We'll make it work. I'm going to put in some sweet radish. I don't like to measure, as you guys can tell. That I tell you guys all the time. Here comes the ketchup, and it's new, so I had to open. I should have done this before I did the video, but it's okay. It is totally okay. Yeah. There you go. And then some Worcestershire sauce. And we are just going to stir this. Maybe I'm gonna put a little bit more ketchup in there because the sauce is supposed to be kind of yellowy, orangey, not white like mayo. We'll put more ketchup. Go. And all we have to do is taste it. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. I would really like it if you guys do like my video and subscribe to my channel, as I do a lot of cooking videos. Until next month, I will see you guys. Have a good Memorial weekend.